Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can create WhatsApp group on our WhatsApp. So getting into video, we need to open our WhatsApp. So I'm opening here. So after opening the WhatsApp, you will find your home page like this. And on your right side, you'll find three dots here on your WhatsApp. Just click on that. Will give you an option like create a new group. So click on new group. After clicking on this new group, you will have all the contacts whichever you are having on your mobile phone. Just select some of them whom you want to create a group. So first I'm just adding my friends here. So I have added one of my friend, and second I would like to add another my friend. Yes, I have added. So for this purpose I'm just adding two members here, and after that you can add further more members here. So I'm just adding only two. You can add till 256 members like this on a WhatsApp group. So I'm just showing with two. I'm just clicking on next button. Since I've already added participants, two members, including me, there will be three members. So along with me, there will be three. So you can give the group name here. Group name I'm giving as, so new, that's all, new is my group name. So I'm just clicking next. So by clicking next, it will create a group of three members with a group name new. I'll show it to you once the group is created. If you observe, there is a group called new here, so which is having three members on this group. So if I click here, there will be three members. So myself, another my friend, one of my friend has got WhatsApp a link to get added into this particular group. Once they click approve, automatically he will also be added here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think it has been helpful to you. Write it in the comment box how it was helpful, and subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with some of your colleagues, friends, family, whomever you want to. And see you in the next one. Bye bye till then.